Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining with us this evening. Let's start our meditation practice first. Please sit quiet and comfortable posture. Keep your back straight as much as you can and gently close your eyes. It is very important to sit quiet and relaxed posture. Take a few deep long breaths and relax your whole body. So let us spend some time with the body. Just feel the body, the different sensations, the different movements in your body. If there are thoughts, just let go of the thoughts and come back to the body. Feeling the body is one thing. Thinking about the body is another thing. Please see the difference. Here we are learning to feel the body. Let us learn, feel friendly and gentle and kind towards our body. Let us now feel what it is to sit with our body completely still. Now, please allow the body to breathe naturally. No need to control our breath. or to manipulate our breathing. Not trying to manipulate our natural breathing. Let us spend a few minutes just learning to allow the body to do with what it likes. Now just feel what happens in the body when the body is breathing, the different sensations, the different movements in the body when the body is breathing. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. Breath is our life. In this moment, we are learning how to breathe. Experiencing the present moment with the help of the sensation and movements in our body because they are happening now. When the body is inhaling, you know that the body is inhaling. When the body is exhaling, you know that the body is exhaling. Not thinking about the past, not thinking about the future, experiencing the joy of the present moment with the help of the in breath and the out breath. Please do not try to stop your thoughts or control your thoughts. If thoughts are there, just know you are having thoughts and come back to the breathing process. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. Just feel the relax with the breath. In this moment, we observe, we focus on our natural ordinary breath. And now we can develop our loving thoughts Do you want to change your posture? You can change it anytime. Do it mindfully and slowly. Think, may I be well? May I be happy? May I be peaceful? May I be able to find noble friends? May I be strong and healthy mentally and physically. Wish to yourself and bless to yourself. Try to be a loving and kind person to yourself. Now imagine your loved ones. Imagine their faces individually. Send your loving and kind thoughts towards to them. May all my loved ones be well, be happy, be peaceful. May not any difficulties come to them. May not any dangers come to them. May they be able to take care of themselves happily and healthy. May they be able to find noble friends. May they be strong and healthy mentally and physically. Now we can send our loving and kind thoughts towards to all the living beings. Send our loving thoughts without any discrimination. May all the living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be able to find peaceful, healthy environment. May they be able to take care of themselves happily. May they be strong and healthy mentally and physically. Now we can send our loving and kind thoughts towards to your difficult one. If you have any difficult people in your life, think of them. Send your loving and kind thoughts towards to them. May my difficult people be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be able to find noble friends. May they be able to take care of themselves happily. May they be strong and healthy mentally and physically. Now your mind and body are relaxed, peaceful and calm. In this evening, we develop our loving thoughts and we focus on our natural, ordinary breath. I think it is very important to practice this meditation. Two, 3 minutes. Please bring your palms together in front of your heart. Make a strong determination to practice this meditation every day, at least few minutes. May peace be with you. May all the living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. Thank you so much. Slowly open your eyes. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining with us this evening. I hope you all are staying safe, healthy, and also warm. In this evening, I would like to share with you some thoughts about determination. Why I was thinking to share some thoughts about this idea, it is very important thing these days because we are in New Year and also we are in new month, and this is second month of this year. Time is flying, and maybe you all are having so much expectations, so much thoughts, and so much plans about this year. But if we want to see some good result end of this year, we have to think about this word determination. We have to work so hard. Then you can see your success at end of this year. When you are going to study about Buddha's teaching, Buddha always talk about this word determination, and also Buddha always discuss about effort. It is very important to think about these two words. When you are going to study Eightfold Path, also Buddha discussed this word. Buddha taught right effort. We have to put our right effort to do our good things. So it is very important. If we are going to cultivate our good mind, if we are going to develop our good thoughts, good qualities, if we are going to practice this meditation, we have to put our right effort to do our good things. And also, we have to think about determination. These both always work together. So it is very important to think this idea these days. That's why I was thinking to talk about something, this word. We know thousand years ago, humans, they used so many techniques to make fire. They used so many strategies to get fire. There are common technique what they use thousand years ago. They used 2 sticks to make fire. We all know about it. Maybe you tried it in your life so many times. Let's think about this idea something different way. We can learn something from these scenes. Let's make a story. Think you are going to go for a hike. Just imagine now you are going to go for a hike. You are hiking now. After you get top of the mountain, now you are getting ready to make a hut. Now it is almost getting dark. You are getting ready to make a hut because you want to survive yourself from animals and you want to enjoy a beautiful night top of the mountain. What you are going to do now, you are going to make a fire. But unfortunately, you forgot to bring your lighter with you. Now you are thinking and you are so disappointed, you are worrying, but fire is very important in this situation. Otherwise, you can cook anything. Otherwise, you can survive because some dangerous animals will come and attack you. It is very important to make a fire top of the mountain. Now you are thinking about it. Now you are looking to make fire. Then then something come to your mind, then you know, oh, I can make a fire by rubbing two sticks. Then what you do now, you really want to make a fire, then what you do, you are going to find some two sticks. Then after you find that two sticks, what you do, you are so impatient, you are so much hurry to see fire, you start to rub that two sticks. Now you are rubbing that two stick to get fire. While you are rubbing that two stick, you know fire is inside that two sticks. You know it. That's why you are so much hurried. That's why you are impatient. You want to see fire very soon, very fast. So after 5 minutes, now your hands are getting numb, your fingers are getting hurt. Now you think, it's so difficult, I want to take a break. Now you are taking 3-4 minutes break, and now you are again keep rubbing that two stick. You are very impatient, you are doing so fast. Again after few minutes, you are experiencing the same thing, your hand and fingers are getting numb again, then you are again take a little break. Now you took 2 times break, then again you start to rub that two sticks. Just imagine you are doing the same thing top of the mountain. You are so much hurry, you are rubbing the two sticks so fast to get fire. 2 times you took break. But third time what happened? You decide, no, there's no fire inside these two sticks. I can't do this anymore. There are no fire in these two sticks. It is lie, someone just made up this story. I want to give up. Then you completely give up what you were doing. But you know there are fire inside these two sticks. You know it is very important, but finally you give up. Let's think what's happening right now. You were so impatient, you were so quick to see the fire, but you stop and you give up. You decide there are no fire inside these sticks. Why you couldn't get fire? Let's think about it. We know if we continue rubbing that two stick getting warm, getting hot. Then if you keep rub that two stick, it get enough warm to see the fire, get the fire. What happened? You didn't continue rub that two stick. You took 2 times break. What happened? First time it was enough warm to get fire, but you didn't continue. You just took a break. What happened? That two stick get cool again. Second time happened the same thing. You didn't continue rub that two stick. What you have to do if you really want to see the fire, you have to continue with patience and with calm and with focus. You have to rub that two stick. Eventually, you can see the fire because you are on top of the mountain. It is very important to have fire, otherwise you are in danger. So you need to be very patient and you need to be very calm to get fire. Just think what happened. Maybe you are experiencing the same thing in your life so many times. We are so much hurry to do some things. But finally we give up because of so much disturbances, so much troubles. I already completed my 3rd year last month, but before I get here, also after I came here, I already realized it is very important to learn English. because in this temple we have to do talks in English. I already knew. But after I get here, I start to learn more English, and still I'm learning English. Then I work so hard. Then now I'm doing some Dhamma talk in English. Very beginning, if I give up, I couldn't give this talk today. You can listen to me if I give up very beginning. But I'm keep learning. Then you can see result. Also, I can see my improvement. So what I want to share with you, it is very important to think about determination and effort. If you keep continue something without giving up, you can see the benefit, you can see the result. That's why Buddha always taught his disciples, being an energetic and mindful person. If you are going to do something in your life, being an energetic, do it mindfully. Then you can see the result. So many disturbances, obstacles come to your life. We already experienced last year. That's why we are having so much expectations about this year. So think about this idea. Maybe if you get any disturbances, think this is my turning point. Keep continuing. You have to keep rub that two sticks. Then finally you can see the fire. Then finally you can survive top of the mountain. So please think about this idea, and it is very important to practice in our daily life. So I hope you learned something. Please try to apply to life. And now we all the monks, we are going to do some chanting. Please listen this chant lovingly and kindly. If you want to send your loving and kind thoughts to your loved ones, imagine their faces. During the listening, you can send your loving and kind thoughts towards to them. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Tipiso bhagavāraham samma sam Vijja charana sampanno sugato lokavidu anuttaro purisa dhamma sarati sattat Buddho bhagavate swakato bhagavata dhammo sandittiko akaliko opanayiko panchattang veditambo vinyo eti supatipanno bhagavato sa Ujjupatipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho Nyāyapatipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho Sāmecipatipanno bhagavato Yadidan chattari purisa yugani atta purisa pungala esa bhagavato sāvaka sang Ahuneyo pahuneyo dakkineyo anjali karaneyo anuttaram puññakkentan lokat Etena sacca vajjena dukkha upasamintu te Etena sacca vajjena bhaya upasamintu te Etena sacca vajjena roga upasamintu Tanhang karo mahaviro medang karo mahayaso saranang දීපංකරෝ ජුතින්ජරෝ කොණ්ඩඤ්ඤෝ ජනපාමංකෝ මංග පුරිසා සබෝ සුමනෝ සුමනෝ දීරෝ රේවතෝ සෝබිතෝ ගුණ සම්පන්නෝ අනෝම දස්සේ ජනුත්තමෝ පදුමෝ ලෝකපං නාරදෝ වරසාරති පදුමන්තරෝ සත්තසාරෝ සුමේදෝ අග්ග සුජාතෝ සබ්බ ලෝකංගෝ පිය දස්සේ නරාසබෝ අත්ත දස්සේ කාරු ධම්ම දස්සේ තමෝනුදෝසිත තිස්සෝ වරද සංවරෝ පුස්සෝ විපස්සීච අනුපමෝ සික්ඛේ සබ්බ හිතෝ සං වෙස්ස භූසුකදායකෝ කකුසන්தோ සත්ත කෝනාගමනෝ රණංජෝ කස්සපෝ සිරි සම්පන් ගෝතමෝ සක්්‍ය පුංගවෝ තේ සංසච්චේන සී කාන්ති මෙත්ත බලේනච තේපි ත්වං අනුරක්කන්තු ආරෝ සුකේන චාති සබ්බීතියෝ විභාජ්ජන්තු සබ්බරෝ විනාසතු මාතේ භවත්වන්තරායෝ සුඛේ දීඝායුකෝ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ ධම්ම භාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ සංඝානුභා සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ නක්ඛත් යක්ඛ භූතානං පාපග්ගා නිවා පරිත්තස්සානුභාවේන අන්තු තේ සංඋපන්දවේ ආකාසං ගාමහින්දිකා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු ශාසන ආකාසට්ඨා ච බුම්මන්ටා දේවානාගා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු දේශනං ආකාසට්ඨා ච දේවානාගා මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු ත්වං සදාති. May you be well, may you be happy, may you be peaceful. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful night.